to build this shoe today and I haven't settled it yet. But trust who? I just paid with my Atomic card. It's 0% interest for up to 40 days with the option to pay in 3 or 6 months. If you don't have yet, get one now. The online application takes only 90 seconds and there's no minimum income required. Perfect for stay-at-home or working moms. You can get a spending limit of up to 200,000 with no annual fees ever. No hidden charges, just pure convenience. Shop online, offline, or pay your bills with ease with Atomic Card. Download the Atomic app and apply for the Atomic Card today.
Ano? No crowbar to the head.